Hello, I'm in a 2011 Infiniti QX56, and today I'm going to show you to adjust your units from US to metric. So basically your miles to kilometers in your like Fahrenheit to Celsius. So first make sure your vehicle's on, which this is, and then from your main display here, we'll go to settings, and then we'll scroll down to others, hit enter, and then we'll scroll to language and units, hit enter, and then we can scroll to units here and hit enter, and then down to metric, hit enter, and it might take a few minutes to update the whole system, but now you should have everything in kilometers and Celsius. And if you want it to miles and Fahrenheit, we'll go back to I'll push this on accident. We'll go to US and hit enter, and that's it. And everything should auto update. You might have to restart the car, but otherwise I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.